Let's uncover the production process of winter melon tea at the factory. First, workers clean these winter melons, which are even thicker than a thigh. Then, they carry them to the workstation, removing the melon stems. With hands that have been single for 25 years, they swiftly peel off the skin, revealing the white winter melon flesh. Next, the melon is cut into pieces about 18 centimeters in size and placed into a roller-type cleaning machine to remove impurities from the surface. The melon is then sliced into 2.5 centimeter wide strips with the pulp and seeds scraped out. These strips are fed into a cutting machine to be turned into winter melon slices. In a 5:1 ratio of winter melon to brown sugar, the melon is salted to release its moisture. The mixture is then poured into a wok, where white sugar is added and simmered for a period of time, until it forms a golden brown paste. The cooked winter melon syrup is scooped into square molds, and the surface is leveled off with a stainless steel scraper. Then, several large fans are used to cool and solidify it once the outer silicone mold is removed. The result is the refreshing and cooling winter melon tea brick.